Okay, here's the Dyson power head for the Dyson vacuum cleaner, which was not spinning. So I took it all apart to try and get this red wire, which was broken, moved up into the articulated joint so I could solder it, but I couldn't move the wire. Anyway, I put the solder pencil way down in there, was able to get that red wire onto what was left of the yellow wire onto what was left of the red wire without burning anything, which amazed me, burning the plastic with a pencil, Weather soldering pencil, and there's the red wire on top. Yellow wire is soldered on. The black wire has been surviving. It looks like it might have a little stress there going on, but hey, whatever. I'm not messing with that. I'm just going to try and put this whole mess back together and see if it works. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Yeah, again, Dyson vacuum cleaner, the power head that scrubs the floor. Power head motor was not running. The red wire was broken at the articulated joint. So you gotta get in there and fix it. It's not easy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.